The work is done.
This is all that's left of him.
Good job, kid.
And we're starting with my liquid lipstick from Ciate. There was what was left in the tube and what I scraped from the tube and put in this little jar. And it took me 19 uses only to be able to really clean the tube. Needless to say that I didn't even touch what's in the jar. Therefore, this product is staying in the project. The tube is super clean though. Then we have this gloss from e.l.f. in the color Sparkling Rosé. I introduced it last update and I want to finish it. I've only used it 7 days, but there's already good progress. I've used it on its own and on top of the Ciate lipstick, and I think it's very encouraging to have such visible progress already. And my last lip product in this project is this bullet lipstick, also from e.l.f. in the shade Nectar. I've also used it topped with the e.l.f. gloss, and I used it only 11 days this last month, and it's my worst month since the beginning of the project, but I still was able to make a new mark on the tube. And of course, it's also staying in the project. Then we have what's left from my black eyeliner. It's getting smaller and smaller. I've used it 14 times since the last update and it's not a very good month. I mostly use this eyeliner pencil to tight line, and one day I felt like a very small piece of the eyeliner got into my eye, and so I didn't really like this experience. Thankfully there was no consequence, but it kind of put a damper on my willingness to use it, so I took a break from it for a few days, and now I'm only using it on my lid, mostly as a liner, but I don't need a black eyeliner for every eye look, whereas I was able to get away with a black tight line about every day. So of course it's more difficult for me to use a lot of it, and to try to use it in various ways. I used it all over my lid and I mixed it or topped it with the gold cream eyeshadow that is the next product in this project, and the black eyeliner pencil mixed with the gold cream eyeshadow created a dusty bronze, and I have nothing against it, but I'm not as fond of it as I am of the Lovat Green. And here's the gold cream eyeshadow. I've used it only 4 times this last month, so 1 time with the black pencil, 2 times to recreate the Lovat Green, and 1 time as a liner, and I liked it. I found it pretty cute. And as I want to finish it, it's staying in the project. And lastly, we have this concealer from The Ordinary that I unrolled last update and that I want to finish. I've used it 28 times this last month, which is pretty good. There's still product in it and it's difficult to say how long it will take me to finish it, so this one is also staying in the project. For next update, I think I can finish this lip gloss, because if I was able to make that much progress in 7 days, it should be doable to finish it in 1 month. Maybe I'll be done with the black eyeliner pencil, mostly because I'll soon won't be able to sharpen it anymore. And maybe I could also finish the gold cream eyeshadow if I really focus on this one.